So here is this Ruud platform air conditioner at this place. I filmed this in the summertime, but I never got down to uploading it. So here it is. This thing is newer. As you can see, it has the swept sickle fan blades. This thing is from 2018. And it is sorry I haven't uploaded a video in a while. I think this is a 3-ton, 36,000 BTUs. Emerson scroll compressor in there. I'm not gonna say where this place is. But yeah, it's a pretty nice unit. Not nearly as clogged up as the one in the complex, and I know I have the flash on. I keep forgetting to turn that off. There's the compressor. It's in the 30s right now. Whoa. Just fell down that hole right there. That wasn't good. Good fan blades. This has a Gentech fan motor, of course. All these units have. Emerson filter dryer. Energy guide. 13 SEER. 13 to 15 SEER. Yeah, this is a 13 SEER unit. Alrighty, we gotta get home now, so. Anyways, over and out.